Strong Toyota, leading the way every day. And strong Toyota, symbols of trust.
It's happening. That was the theme of a forum on human trafficking held at the University of Guam this afternoon. Not only is it happening, the forum reminded us that human trafficking is happening in the U.S. and on Guam. During his opening remarks, Lieutenant Governor Ray Tenorio discussed the Blue House case and also recent events in Cleveland, Ohio, where 3 women were found after being kidnapped and held captive for 10 years.
It is not unheard of, even in this advanced age of knowledge and wisdom that we impart here at universities and colleges across our fantastic nation, to see these kind of really medieval mentalities still existing today.
Tenorio called for the community to assist law enforcement officers in the fight against human trafficking.
And it really comes down to individuals in this room and throughout this island and our country to be diligent as citizens and look at situations and call them, to call your public safety officials, to call questions about what's going on over there. Why is that individual never leaving the house? Why do these situations happen, or why these circumstances appear to be suspicious?
U.S. Attorney General Alicia Limtiaco also called for the public's assistance in putting a stop to human trafficking in her keynote address, which focused on efforts to fight trafficking in Guam and throughout the Pacific region.
There are many times, really all over the country, where people do not realize the necessity of having other than law enforcement involved in addressing these issues.
Limtiaco says regulatory agencies such as the Department of Public Health have had an essential role in the fight against human trafficking on Guam by making sure that businesses, such as those claiming to be massage parlors, are legitimate and safe.
In some cases, these businesses did not correct their deficiencies voluntarily. In some cases, they did not go back to reopen or do anything so that they could have their business license renewed, and chose to continue to be shut down. In some cases, individuals were administratively arrested. In some cases, individuals were removed. And in other cases, individuals were fined administratively based on this civil regulatory enforcement approach.
The forum was hosted by Professor Ron Uggin's Government Public Information class. It also included panel discussions with Judge Francis Tidinko Gatewood, Chief Justice Robert Torres, Guam Attorney General Lenny Rapadas, and others. Betsy Brown, PNC News.